I'm going to show you how to use the Google Docs outline features. First thing you're going to need is an untitled document, new one. So we go up here and we're going to title it 4.7 Radio Outline. Your document's going to need a title, so we're going to put in the radio. We want it to be in the center, so we're going to go to our alignment, put it in the center. As you notice, it is bold and it is size 14, larger, so I can read it. Now the other thing I notice is that I have half-inch margins. Let's change the margins. So you go to File, Page Setup, and we're going to put 1-inch margins all the way around. And say OK. Now you know where they are. If you need to change them, you can do so. We're going to use 2 returns, and now we don't want our information to be bold. We do not want it to be center aligned, but left aligned. And we don't want size 14 text, so we'll go back to 12. Now to start your outline, we need to use Roman numerals for major topics. So we're going to go to the numbered list and to the delta point to the right, and notice the different formats for outlining or numbered lists. This is the typical outline for, or the numbered list format for an outline. And we click on it and we get our Roman numeral 1 for our first major topic, which is going to be our introduction. If I press return, I get Roman number 2. Everything's lined up the way it should, and I say how radios work. If I press return, I get major topic 3, or Roman number 3. But I have some subtopics here, so I have 2 choices. One, I can hit the tab key to get the A. If I want it to go back to the Roman numeral, I can hold my shift down and tab. Make sure you try it. If not, I can also do my increase and decrease indent icons. And I want to increase so it goes to the right. And I'll put in my major my subtopic, radio waves. If I press return, I will get another subtopic, and I'm going to put AM and FM waves are different. And I'm thinking, well, I better explain what they are, so I will press my return for topic C, but I want to increase the indent, so I'm going to hit the tab or the increase indent icon. And I will say AM waves. 2 is FM waves. I better make sure I talk about both kinds. Now, if I want to get back to 3 for the next major topic, I can press return again, and it'll go out, press return again, and it will decrease the indent. So you can use your enter key as well. This will be the radio industry. I press return. I don't want a major topic, I want a subtopic, so I press my tab, and I'm going to talk about 2 ways of assigning call letters. Now, one of the things that are nice with outlines or any kind of document is to add images. Images should always further the understanding of the information, not detract. So I'm thinking about these AM, FM waves. There's 2 ways I can retrieve an image. Number 1 is if I'm talking about these AM, FM waves, I'm going to put my cursor here, and I can go to Insert, and I can insert an image. Now I have several places I can get them from. I can upload them from my computer, I can search the web, I can get them from my Google Drive, from photos, by URL, or a camera. What if I search the web? I can search the web right from here. I type in AM and FM waves, press the enter key to have it search, and these are the images that I get. And I'm like, well, maybe not what I'm exactly looking for. So I can also go to a new tab, go to Google, and type in the difference between AM and FM. And here's an image just right. That amplitude is the height of the waves, frequency is how close they are together. The difference. To get this image, I'm just going to right click on the image and I'm going to say copy this image, and I can copy and paste it right into a Google Doc. I copy the image, I go back to my Google Doc, and I paste it right where it is. And what you're going to notice is, didn't come. Try again. Copy and paste is Control V. There he is. What it's done is it's put this image in line with the text, just like it's a piece of text. If I click on the image, I'm going to get some options. First, the option is if I want to have it in line as it is, if I want to have it wrap the text or break the text. Now, if you'll notice the handles, it also gives me the option to resize it. This is also a menu that I can size it and rotate it. I can make adjustments, all the image options. I don't need all that. So I'm just going to grab the corner and I'm going to resize the image so it's about like that, and I'm going to make it wrap the text. So text will wrap around it. Notice how the word difference on the other side. So if I just grab it in the middle, I can move it wherever I want. So it looks like it's a good place for it. Oops, too close. And there you go. Again, if you want a picture of a radio, I can just go anywhere in my document, like I'm right here behind the letters. I can say insert an image. I'm just going to have it search the web right from here. I'm going to ask for an image of a radio. And I say, oh, this will work out just fine. I double click it, 1, 2. It brings it into the document. It's too big, so I click on it. I resize it. I make it wrap the text. And I can move it wherever I want. Might be a little too big still. Just going to put it right up here by my title. And something like that. Obviously it needs to be moved around. You can do that, but you get it. Remember that it automatically saves. It says the last edit was seconds ago. It automatically saves. And so you have it. Now you can finish recreating the sample document that is included with your assignment.